Mr. Cap is charged in file number 251245 with malicious destruction. Oh, wait a minute. It's not him. With driving with a suspended license, second offense from April 4th of 2025. Open intox in a motor vehicle from that same date. Another driving suspended, second offense from June of 2025. Those are all set for an attorney pretrial today with Attorney John Bush. Mr. Bush isn't here. We don't know where he is. My secretary's tried to contact him. Mr. Cap has got a number of cases set for jury trial for February 11th. I thought we'd resolve some of this stuff. He has several cases set for jury trial in front of Judge Pattison. Altogether, there's about 10 of these. I took a plea. Well, no, he's bound over to circuit court on 24513 FY, pending, I think, a felony trial. And I thought I'd resolved some of these. Apparently not. At any rate, there was a plea offer, but Mr. Bush isn't here, and I don't know what the deal is. Mr. Cap, I'm hopeful we can resolve this stuff before you have a jury trial on February 11th. But I'm going to set these all for a pretrial conference in front of Judge Pattison. Set all cases for January 16th. At 8:30. Did you had a trial date on your circuit court case? Is that this month?
As far as I know, Your Honor, we came to a conclusion on an impaired, and I was trying to be screened for
sobriety
court, as well as I had 2 driving on suspendeds with the city and 2 with with 2 with you and 2 with him.
Yes, and I thought, frankly, I thought everything was taken care of, but these things were still hanging out there. Yeah, maybe Mr. Bush thinks so too, but no one's here to resolve the question. You're set for sentencing in front of me.
The 9th, I think, of February. Yes.
I thought we had resolved all of this stuff, but maybe there were some things that weren't on my radar.
I was under the assumption it was allowing another to drive a motor vehicle, possibly.
It was. That's what the plea offer is.
And then it was getting all bunched up, but I'm not sure exactly what.
Well, there was so much stuff. And you and I had a discussion of this. Screening and sentencing is set for January 20th, 6. All right, let me look at that case. Two 52477. Gosh, there's so much stuff in here. Plea offer, impaired driving second and attempted R&O. Owes $3,000 in unpaid fines and costs. Has jury trial set for January 2026 in circuit court. I don't think these things were addressed. They're all left hanging out. So I'm going to reset them. They may end up being dismissed in the light of everything else that's going on, but I'm going to reset these for January 16th at 8:30 in front of Judge Pattison, who's got all those other cases which are set for jury trial. And I don't know what the status of your circuit court case is. Now, here's Rhonda sending me an email. She must be watching the channel.
Status of my circuit court is.
We resolved a felony DUI case. He's scheduled for sentencing 1st of February. You left open the option for sobriety court, but not very hopeful. All right. All I don't know is these cases are still out there. Your lawyer's not here. We're going to reset them for January 16th in front of Judge Pattison. Maybe you can resolve all these traffic cases that are still pending. But in the meantime, you can go back to jail and get lunch. All right, good luck.
Thank you, Judge.
All right, thank you. All right. We're still plugging away here. Mr. Truckey's got a couple of clinkers. Let's do Cole Kindig. This is file number 252335OD. Are you Cole Michael Kindig?
Yes, sir.
Mr. Kindig, you were charged with operating while intoxicated.
Yes.
Prosecutors agreed to reduce this to a lesser charge of impaired driving. This is a White Pigeon ordinance case. Mr. Coaches from the village of White Pigeon has offered to reduce this to impaired. You've been waiting patiently all morning, as everybody has, to understand that impaired driving is a misdemeanor. It's punishable by up to 93 days in jail and a fine of up to $300.
Yes, sir.
Carries 4 points, but it would allow you to keep a restricted driver's license, drive back and forth and in the course of employment and other limited purposes.
Yes, sir.
All right, let's talk about your case. Well, good morning, Rhonda, wherever you are. Got to get out of Mr. Cap's cases.